How to share your location on Signal. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily share your location to your contacts on the Signal application. Firstly, open up the Signal app on your Android or iOS and open the conversation with the person or group you want to share your location with. Once you do that, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the plus icon. In the pop-up at the bottom, go ahead and select the location option. And now allow Signal to use your location. Click on allow once or allow while using app, any one of those, and your location will be pinned. Now once you have your location, tap on this little blue arrow button and your location will be sent to the recipient. So that's it, you've successfully shared your location on Signal. Your recipient can tap the location message to open it in their preferred Maps app for directions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.